In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use Buffer to schedule your social media posts, making it easier to manage your content and stay consistent across platforms. Create a Buffer account. Head over to buffer.com and sign up for an account. You can start with the free plan, which allows you to schedule posts for up to 3 social media accounts. Connect your social media accounts. Once signed in, click Manage Channels and connect your social media profiles, e.g., Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Follow the prompts to authorize Buffer. Create your first post. Click Create Post, then select the social media account where you want to post. Type your content, add images, links, or hashtags just like you would on the platform. Schedule your post. After creating your post, click the Schedule Post button. Choose the date and time when you want the post to go live, or use Buffer's suggested optimal times for better engagement. View and manage scheduled posts. In the Queue tab, you can see all your scheduled posts. Drag and drop them to reschedule or edit the content if necessary. Analyze post performance, optional. With Buffer's analytics, available on paid plans, you can track the performance of your posts, including engagement rates, clicks, and more, to refine your strategy. That's how easy it is to schedule social media posts using Buffer. Stay organized and consistent with your content across all platforms. Check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Cyber-Theo.